हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल ऑनेस्ट रिएक्शन। मेरा नाम है जतिन।
भवेश।
दीपेश। दीपू, आज हम रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं 10 सरप्राइजिंग फैक्ट्स अबाउट एसएसजी कमांडोज। एसएसजी जानता क्या होता? पाकिस्तान में जो कमांडो होती है,
हाँ।
उसको एसएसजी बोलते। दीपू को बोल रहा हूँ। पाकिस्तान कमांडो, इसके बारे में सरप्राइजिंग फैक्ट्स है 10। तो देखते क्या है। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
We're exploring the military of Pakistan, but more specifically, Pakistan's Elite Special Forces Unit, the SSG. These guys are no joke. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Leroy Kenton, and you're watching FTD Facts. So let's get into 10 surprising and interesting facts about the SSG. So the first thing, the SSG, or Special Service Group, is the main Special Operations Task Force of the Pakistan Army. While the rest of the Army is well trained in regular combat situations, these SSG commandos are skilled in special skills like counterintelligence and covert operations. The headquarters are at Tarbela Cantonment and it's located in the Harapur district of Pakistan. It's headed by a major general and divided into 8 battalions. Each battalion has 700 men in 4 companies, with each company split into platoons and then into 10-man teams. Each battalion is commanded by a lieutenant colonel. Now, the earlier thought process of hiring recruits was to spend as little time as possible training them. This is because in the early days after getting independence from the British, Pakistan really lacked certain resources and they had to do the best with what they had at the time. The SSG was first called the 19th Baloch and was created in 1956 after combining the 7th and 10th Baloch regiments and the 312 Garrison Company. The SSG's initial training and orientation regarding tactics was based on the US Special Forces program, with whom they cooperated closely with in the Cold War years. The SSG initially had 6 companies, and each company had specialization units specialized in desert, mountain, ranger, and underwater warfare. And later on, Chinese training, tactics, weapons, and equipment were also introduced. Now, the SSG used guerrilla tactics to fight off their enemies and use the element of surprise whenever and wherever they could. The special operations that they take part in require the fighters to be very still and very stealthy. Their first major deployment came during the Indo-Pak War of 1965, and by the year 1971, the SSG had grown to 3 battalions with 1 permanently stationed in East Pakistan. The training program has evolved over the years, where it incorporates many new elements of modern warfare, but some things have remained the same. The SSG officers must have at least 2 years of prior military experience and volunteer from other formations for 2-year assignments with the SSG. Non-commissioned officers and enlisted men volunteer from other formations to serve permanently in the SSG. All trainees must participate in a 9-month SSG course at Cherat, and physical training includes doing a 36-mile march in 24 hours. Training with the same people and the same instructor can get really tedious and also put you in danger of being obsolete, since the rest of the world is advancing with new training methods. So it's important that soldiers interact with other countries and also learn their ways of training. This is also a good way to keep the enemy tactics in mind. SSG conducts biannual exercises with the Turkish Special Forces, which have been designated as the Ataturk series. And during the 1980s and into the 1990s, the SSG held many similar training exercises with the US Special Forces. Now I'm going to briefly talk about the SSG-N. Now, these guys were actually created after the SSG Army. After the Indo-Pakistan War in 1965, the Pakistani Navy, under the advice of the US Navy, decided to create its own special warfare unit. The SSG-N was born in 1966, and by the year 1967, the United States had finally lifted the embargo on Pakistan, therefore allowing the United States Navy SEALs to provide their training and operational techniques to the SSG-N. And speaking of the SSG-N, the current SSG-N headquarters are in Karachi, Sindh, and they were modeled after the American Navy SEALs and the British Special Boat Services, or the SBS. Because the US SEALs had supervisor training, the training of the SSG-N is one of the toughest training programs in the entire world. The dropout rate for the SSG-N is 80 to 90%. Now, getting back to the SSG Army, so let's take a look at their uniforms. They're really distinct distinguished by the insignia and the maroon berets with a silver metal tab on a light blue felt square with a dagger and lightning bolts. There's also a wing on the right side of the chest, and the combat uniform of the SSG is similar to the US woodland pattern camouflage coat and pants. Initially, the SSG were popular for their green berets with Baloch insignia back in the 1950s, but the SSG, they dropped their green berets and adopted the Baloch regiment's maroon berets. And the final thing I want to share about the SSG is that the SSG had been listed as the best special forces group ahead of the United States Navy SEALs and the British Special Air Service Group. Now this list was done by Business Insider Australia back in the year 2015, and it ranked them as the best of 9 top elite forces in the entire world. Now there may not necessarily be any real bearing to this ranking, however the SSG still has a lot of things going on for them that make them a very powerful force to contend with. This is also something that makes Pakistanis very proud. So that's all the facts I have for you about the SSG. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, leave a like on this video and also let me hear your thoughts and comments down below. And before you get out of here, here is another video that you can check out. It's right beside my head, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell if you're new here to FTD Facts, that is, so you can keep up to date with all our daily episodes, and I'll see you guys real soon.
और FTD फैक्ट्स का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा और ओरिजिनल वीडियो का लिंक भी आपको मिल जाएगा, वहाँ पे जाइए, उनको भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, उनको भी सपोर्ट कीजिए। तो बात करते हैं आज के वीडियो की। तो ये 10 फैक्ट्स थे अबाउट SSG के बारे में थोड़ा पता था हमको पहले से, और इसके लिए 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए आर्मी का। पाकिस्तान आर्मी में 2 साल तक काम करने के बाद आप इधर आ सकते हो। SSG का एक वीडियो हमने और देखा था, आप हमारे चैनल में जाके देख सकते हो, पहले देखा था। और यहाँ इसकी जो ट्रेनिंग होती है बहुत खतरनाक होती है, नॉर्मल आदमी जा नहीं सकता, इसमें ट्रेनिंग ले नहीं सकता। ट्रेनिंग में क्या क्या करवाते हैं इनको, हाथ पूरे बांध कर फिर पानी में डाल देते हैं, वो नाली में वो कराते हैं, वो देख के ही वो हो जाता, बूझने छूट जाती।
मस्त जोक मारा।
और इसका हेडक्वार्टर कराची सिंध में।
और दीपू अबाउट SSG, आज दीपू कुछ बोल रहा नहीं है, इसको ज़बरदस्ती पकड़ के ले गया है, उधर भाग गया था ये। इस वीडियो के कमेंट शायद बंद हो सकते हैं, आप जब देख रहे हो क्या पता वीडियो के कमेंट चालू है या बंद है। अगर आपको कुछ कहना है तो आप हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पे बोल सकते हो, हम आपको ज़रूर रिप्लाई करेंगे। और वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को
लाइक कर देना,
चैनल को
सब्सक्राइब कर देना।
तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।